Well, guys, here I'm in the Homestead Lookout, and I've climbed to 9,270 feet, and we were talking about the value of pressure and fire, of problems, of difficulties in life, that these have a unique way of teaching us what is essential, what is important, and what is not. And I hope that for my own sake, this tour actually also gives me that. Through the pressure and the fire and the difficulties of the trip, I hope that I gain additional knowledge. And it's knowledge that if I do gain, and I hope I do, it's knowledge that it's meant to be shared with others, because that's one of the aspects about knowledge. It's not just the possession of it for the sake of just having it for yourself. It's one of those things that we need to share more, and that's one of the things that makes the world better when it's done. When it's not done, it becomes a competitive, vicious environment. Look at the wonderful scenery. We go from rain here on this side of the mountain, and it's all green, and we have coniferous forests and pine trees and aspen, and you go down and you go into the Escalante National Monument, the Escalante, which is it's a staircase, and you go into these canyons of different colors that go from red through different shades of brown to light beige. And I've covered all this distance and more, because this is my third state. I'm halfway through it. I know some of you wonder, will Mr. Geraldo make his journey on time? Will he be able to finish? And the fact of the matter is, even though, yes, I'm only through my third state, these are the most difficult states, because these are the ones with mountains. And so you have the climbs, and then you have to go down and back up. You have all these summits, and that's very demanding. So once I get to Pueblo, Colorado, and from that point on it's pretty much the plains, that's a different story. I won't say it's going to be a walk in the park, because every different situation in life comes with its own set of challenges, but it should not be as difficult as this. So in a way it's good that, we start with the difficult part first, get it out of the way. The responsibility, because yes, I do have a responsibility with Tour of Discovery. I've made a promise, and anytime you make a promise, you have acquired a responsibility. You have to be faithful to your word.